Hello, this is Robert with Beyond 20. We often are asked if there's a way to create custom toolbars within Cherwell Service Management, otherwise known as the Blue Pill. Today, we're going to cover a few different ways to do that. For example, we may have a manager who wants to run a quick report, or have a shortcut to view his or her team's open tickets without having to directly navigate back to that dashboard. There are two different ways we can accomplish this by modifying the toolbar within Cherwell. The first option is to set it while logged into the Cherwell Blue Pill. The main limitation of this is that it will update the toolbar for only that specific user. The second option, which I'll show later, can be set to a specific role, such as all IT service desk managers. This can be done via the orange pill. So let me show you that first option real quick. First, we're going to log into the Blue Pill. You'll notice the toolbar up here at the top doesn't have any of our custom shortcuts yet. In order to add a shortcut, we want to right-click within the open area in the toolbar and go to Customize. This allows us to add toolbars for the user account that I'm currently logged in as. Anyone else on the IT Service Desk Manager role will not see this toolbar. Go ahead and click Add. Let's give it a title. If we want this to show automatically every time I log in, we want to keep the Show by Default checked. Go ahead and click on Add Action. And let's add an action to run a specific report. Navigate to the report that you want to be ran and click OK. Name the report so in the toolbar you'll know what the button does. If you click on the Show Text On button, it'll automatically show up. Let's go ahead and give it an image by selecting the box on the right. And let's find a built-in image within Cherwell. Let's add another action. Instead of a report this time, let's run a search group, also searching for my team's incidents. Once we've added these items on here, we can click on OK. Notice the toolbar automatically updates with the two new buttons that we added on here. If we want to remove these, we can right-click and decheck the Manager Tools that we just created. Now there's another way we can do this. Let's assume that we want all roles of the IT Service Desk Manager to have this enabled by default. So rather than creating it on this individual user account, we want to set it for everyone that logs in with the IT Service Desk Manager role. To do that, we want to launch the orange pill. Go to Settings on the left, and then under Pick a Task, select Edit Custom Toolbars. We want to select the role, In this case, it's the IT Service Desk Manager, and click Edit. Let's go ahead and add these two buttons that we created earlier. The show by default will ensure every time someone logs in under that specific role, this toolbar will always show up. Let's add the two actions again. First one is the report. We'll select My Team's Incidents. We want to make sure to check the Show Text on Button checkbox, as well as select a picture. Let's also add that same search group. Once we've updated this toolbar, we click on OK. Next, we need to restart the Cherwell Service Management Blue Pill. Anytime we make changes to toolbars or task panes, instead of logging out and logging in, we want to actually close the entire Blue Pill and then reopen it. Make sure we select the appropriate role. And now you'll see both the toolbar we created earlier when we're logged into the Henry user account, as well as the toolbar that shows up now every time we log into the IT Service Desk Manager role also shows up. If we right-click on the toolbar, we can see the two different folder options right here. We can enable or disable these on the fly, or actually click the button to view My Team's open tickets. And that's how you create custom toolbars in Cherwell Service Management. This version we used today was Cherwell version 5.0. The similar process is done for previous versions. Thanks for watching. This was Robert with Beyond 20.